Okay, we have a Chevalier 4-axis CNC vertical machining center model QP1620-L, serial number FMN117C03. Machine was new in 2010 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC control, model OIMD, which is a 4-axis machine, 4-axis control. You have a remote jog handle. Machine also comes with a 4th axis, which is a Sam Chully 7-inch rotary table. He's moving the X-axis right now, which moves 20.5 inches. The Y-axis moves 15.A, and the Z is another 15. Your table size is 12.6 by 27.6. He's moving the B-axis on the rotary. You have a Cat 40 spindle, 20 ATC side mount. He's running right now 1,000 RPM. Machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. 2,500. 4,500. It's a 10 horsepower spindle. 6,500. Again, top speed's 10,000. We're going to do a tool change. It's a 20 ATC side mount. We'll do one more. Great. Okay, you've seen it all. Thanks for watching our video.